Hey dolls, what's up? It's Unya again, and today, girl, you already know what today is. Look what I got! It's the Jeffree Star Bloodlust collection. So let's just dive on into this, girl. Not only did I get some of the Bloodlust stuff, I also got some other things, some things that I've been needing. So let's start off with this big thing that is protruding out of the bag. It is the Jeffree Star Crown Mirror. I was going to get the dark purple one with the glitter in it. However, this one's only $5 more. Ooh, look how big she is. And look how cute. But yeah, I got it because, I already have a few of the JSC mirrors. And look, this one's bigger. You can see more. And plus, I don't know if this is going to be a limited, edition. So, I got it. It's so adorable. I love it. Love it. Oh, check the face. I look good. Oh, and I'll tell you what shadows I'm wearing when we pull out the palette, which is going to be right now. So, I was talking to one of my girlfriends at work. And she was debating on whether she was going to order this or not. And I told her that I created a look with just 3 of the colors. And it looked amazing. And she texted me back and was like, well, I bought it. So let's take it out of the box. I'm going to keep this because this is a very interesting shape. I am going to keep this just for, the fact that I'm moving. So once I move, this will probably become like a decoration in my new filming setup. So we'll see. We're still trying to figure out how we're going to set all that up. My filming is going to be done in my bedroom. We're trying to make this like big little area in our room where we can edit and film so that my husband and I can be together through this process because he really does help me out a lot. And I really appreciate it. So let's open her up. Again, if you're moving, if you travel, keep this. And look, oh my God. Oh, I'm dying. It's so fucking beautiful. Okay, so remember how I told you I have 3 colors on my eyes? Look, gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. I have as my, base color, which is also matte, I have Blood Queen. And then I took a little bit of my Jeffree Star X Morphe setting spray and wetted my brush for the Executioner. And then I also have Take the Crown on. Now, I know you've seen a lot of these reviews already online. These colors are way more sickening in person. Girl, they are pigmented to the death, to the house. And this Executioner, this is one of the main reasons why I wanted it. Well, that and all the beautiful purples in it. This is like a black with silver and purple glitters in it. And I love my purple and my blacks. I would live in purple and black all the time if I could. And this is just, somebody with like a dark soul like me loves black eyeshadow. This is your girl. Now I will be filming a how-to, some makeup tutorials with this probably after we move. But I really am not wanting to do a whole lot of work on it. Just because I will post on my Instagram, which it's right here on the screen, girl. Why aren't you following me yet? I'll take a picture of all the shades in order on my arm and post it on my Instagram so you can see how it looks. But this was amazing. This was $54. And, it averages out to like about $3.25 per shade. So, if you love purples like I do, if you just find this all sickening, this is worth way more. This is more bang for your buck than anything that you can find at like the drugstore. I love Jeffree's makeup. It's just so amazing. Okay, so let's close her up. And then let's dive right in again. The gloss. So this one is Iridescent Throne. Let's pull her out. And of course, everything that is a part of the Bloodlust collection has the purple toppers and purple packaging. This one is really pretty. It's like a light lavender, and it has purple and blue shifts of glitter in it. Let me just get a good swatch on my hand so y'all can see it. Look at that, dolls. I mean, you could just wear this on your lip and call it a freaking day, because that is so pretty. I mean, look at that. Oh, look at it shimmer, girl. Ooh, that is beautiful. Okay, we have another one that I got. And this is actually what's on my lips right now. I got Wizard's Glass. So let's open her up. And it's really kind of hard to describe this color because it's so pretty and it looks golden in the bottom, but when you swatch it, it's got so many different beautiful colors in it. So let's reapply, girl. That looks beautiful. Oh, and everybody look, say hi, little bunny girl. We're not gonna use her real name, because, you know, when we become monetized, we don't want to get, you know, nicked for that. But she needs some glitter, doesn't she? So let's just take our Wizard's Glass. And now her ears are Jeffree Star approved. Yes. Oh my goodness, that looks so cute. All right. So that's everything from this new collection that I selected at the store. Let me show you what else I got. Now, I did pick these up because they had a sale going on, and you could get 2 at the Morphe X Jeffree Star setting sprays for $22. Now, I don't have any aerosol setting sprays like this. I've been wanting one big time. And, you know, it's not like I'm going to just order from Morphe for a setting spray. So the fact that I was actually in the store, it was like, I might as well. And so now that I have 2, it's going to last me quite a while. And I also got, we finally got our Magic Star in. You see that? Yes, after all the drama earlier this year with it, and how I couldn't get C4 because so many of it was stolen, your girl has it now. Now let's just compare this packaging to the gloss. Now I love how each of his toppers is completely different, and it really makes you feel like super bougie, you know, especially when I'm at work and I pull this out. Yeah, I'll just be like, It makes me have a little, like, you know, bougie moment at work. Because, you know, you still gotta feel pretty when you're working. But what is my overall review about everything that I got today? I am dead. This is so sickening. I mean, if I would have had more money, I would have gotten 2 of the tablets or palettes. I can't speak apparently today, but I would have gotten 2. But as some of the dolls that I met in line who are now followers, hey girls, they told me that the Conspiracy palette is coming back in March. Girl, I'm buying that when it comes out again. So, I don't know if I've said this before on my channel. This is the only brand besides like my beauty boxes that I'm actually going to spend my own money on to buy. Now, if there's any company out there that would like me to try a new product or anything, and just, you know, message me on Instagram, or I'll also put down my business email in the description box below so you can reach out to me there as well. But you know, I just felt like there are so many brands out there. You know, I could spend thousands upon thousands of dollars doing this. So I just needed to, you know, decide, okay, well, what's the one like high-end brand that I'm going to be doing? And it's Jeffree Star. I mean, he gets me. He totally gets like the makeup I like to wear, you know, it's amazing. But let me tell you about a few things that are coming to the channel. I have my Babe box to review, and you know, I'm debating on if I'm going to keep it or not, but I am going to be doing a review for it for this month and for next month. My Medusa's makeup box is actually out for delivery today, so I'm probably going to be doing my tutorial about that this weekend. I am also waiting for my Beat Face box to get here. It was shipped out on Wednesday, so fingers crossed that it comes before I move. And, you know, thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You know, this, I can't believe how much I've grown in just the 1 week doing this. You know, it's amazing when you wake up and you see that you had like 50 extra subscribers than you did when you went to bed. You know, it's kind of like a little affirming, you know, because it's like, well, apparently I'm doing something right. So thank you all so much for helping me in the very beginning of my channel. You all have seen how big we've already grown in just 1 week. Girl, don't you dare go anywhere, because it's just going to get even bigger, okay? Because, hello, we are here, we are amazing, and girl, we gonna rock this shit, okay? All right, well, thank you so much again. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.